Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later so widgets work properly. Once confirmed, go to the home screen and long press an empty area or any app icon until everything jiggles. That's jiggle mode. Next, tap the plus button in the top left to open the widget gallery where you can browse sizes and types. You do this now so you're inside the one interface that controls adding, stacking, and replacing widgets across pages and the Today view. You pick a widget and choose a size that fits your layout. Small, medium, or large each show different info density, so choose based on what you need at a glance. Once you tap Add Widget, drag it where you want and release to place it. To save space, drag one widget onto another of the same size to create a smart stack. Once stacked, swipe or use Edit Stack to reorder or set Smart Rotate. Make sure to tap Done when you're happy with placement. You can fine-tune or remove widgets quickly. Long press any widget and choose Edit Widget to change settings like Account, List, or Location, then tap Outside to save. To remove, long press and pick Remove Widget, then Confirm. That frees space without deleting the app. If a widget won't load or shows stale data, first make sure the app and iOS are updated, then restart the phone. If issues persist, remove and re-add the widget or check app permissions for background refresh and location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.